besties, welcome back to our space. On today's video we're making concoction jollof rice. Yes, concoction. So we already have our washed rice inside the pot. Introduce sliced fresh tomatoes, onion. This is crayfish and fresh pepper. I blended the two together, and then salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder, just a sachet. Then introduce palm oil, just a little of palm oil. Then vegetable oil follows, just small. Remember I told you this is concoction, and of course our protein for today, this is dried catfish. Introduce water. Enough water that will cook the rice. Then cover and allow it to cook. Come back after 10 minutes, and this is it. Wow, looking so yummy and sweet. Honestly, the aroma is just everywhere. Our concoction rice is actually good to go. And where are all my subscribers on YouTube, followers on Facebook? Oh God, I will end this video and thanking every of my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for always deeming it fit to subscribe to this channel. Thank you to all new, old, and intended subscribers. Thank you. You guys are the best. And if you're following us from Facebook, thank you also. And if you're watching from YouTube and you're still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel or not, please do well subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you're notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you. You know what's about this rice? After making it, make sure there's water in it. Yes, just make sure it's not completely dried up. And I told you, you're going to enjoy it just the way I'm enjoying it here. You see this portion? Oh my God. I'm pleading. If you're watching till this moment, please start coming with your spoons, because you see, the taste don't carry me go where I don't know. Even though the thing just did burn my mouth. My mouth was just burning. The thing was just, hurting my mouth. I was like, no, I can't eat this rice while it's hot. Hey. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you for watching this video to this moment. Thank you. Watch out for our next content. Enjoy the rest. Love you. Ciao, ciao.